Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today you're going to listen to a beautiful and emotional story. A story that will touch your heart and also help you learn English naturally. As you listen, focus on how the sentences are spoken, how emotions are expressed, and how simple English words can carry deep meaning. This story will help you improve your English listening, vocabulary, and speaking confidence, while reminding you of something very special: a mother's unconditional love. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Sparkling Heart, a Mother's Promise. In a small village near the mountains, there lived a young boy named Arun and his mother, Mira. They had very little: a small house, an old bicycle, and a heart full of love. Mira worked every day in a small tailoring shop. She would stitch clothes from morning till night. Her hands were rough, her eyes were tired, but her smile never faded. Every evening, when Arun returned from school, his mother would be waiting at the door with a glass of warm milk. She would ask, "Did you learn something new today, Arun?" And he would reply, "Yes, Amma. I learned that one day I will buy you a big house." She would laugh softly and say, "Then I must keep sewing faster till that day comes." As years passed, life became harder. The shop owner reduced Mira's pay. Some nights, she worked under a dim lamp until her fingers bled. But she never complained. One night, when Arun woke up for water, he saw his mother sitting near the lamp, her eyes filled with tears. He asked, "Amma, why are you crying?" She quickly wiped her face and said, "It's just dust, my dear. Go back to sleep." But Arun knew those weren't tears of dust. They were tears of sacrifice. Arun grew older and went to college. He studied hard because he wanted to change his mother's life. When others partied, he worked in a small cafe to earn money. He never forgot his mother's hands, the hands that stitched his dreams together. One day, he received a job offer in a big city. He ran home holding the letter in his hands. "Amma, I did it!" he shouted. Mira smiled and said, "I told you, if you keep working, God will open doors." Months passed. Arun started earning well, but life in the city was busy. He often missed calls from home. He told himself, "I'll call Amma tomorrow." But sometimes, tomorrow never comes. One evening, he finally visited his village. When he entered the small house, everything was the same: the chair, the lamp, the sewing machine. But his mother was not there. A neighbor came running. "Arun, your mother was taken to the hospital this morning." His heart sank. He rushed to the hospital. There she was, weak, pale, but still smiling. "Amma," he whispered, holding her hand. "Why didn't you tell me you were sick?" She smiled faintly and said, "I didn't want you to worry. You were busy making my dreams come true." Tears filled his eyes. He said, "Please don't leave me now. I'll take care of you. I promise." She squeezed his hand gently. "No, my son. You already kept your promise. You became the man I prayed for." A few days later, Mira peacefully passed away in her sleep. She left behind a letter. It said, "My dear Arun, don't cry for me. I lived a full life because of your love. Every time you help someone, you help me live again. Always be kind. Always be strong. And remember, a mother never leaves. She just lives inside her child's heart forever." Years later, Arun opened a foundation for poor mothers who worked as tailors. He named it Mira Hearts, after the woman who taught him love, patience, and strength. And whenever people asked him, "How did you become so successful?" he would smile and say, "I didn't climb alone. My mother's hands pushed me upward, even from heaven." If you felt this story in your heart and learned something new in English, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful English stories. See you.